Welcome to the Rainforest Wild new attraction at Singapore Zoo.
Have you put your bug spray on?
No.
Well, you will learn the hard way.
Gnarly, man.
How did you find your crossing?
Terrifying.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh look, a monkey. Are you not scared?
Nah, I'm scared. Nothing.
Yes, you are.
Heights. All of this wasn't here last time we were here.
Yeah,
and they've
well,
made it all.
obviously they've built it, haven't they?
But I don't know if that's actual rock or...
Did it feel like actual rock?
Didn't sound like it.
Oh right. Didn't know you were a rock specialist. What is that?
It's a fucking flying horse.
Don't come near us, bee or hornet wasp. Show everybody the size of the bug that just tried to attack us.
What, it was that on my back? It was that size with wings.
No, it wasn't.
It was. Fewer than 150 left in the wild. The Malayan tiger, that is.
So childish.
Have a look at this. They have a pretty monkey, aren't they?
I'm not looking.